That's a lot of birds.
Oh yeah. That is more than a lot. That is insane amount of birds.
And they just keep coming.
It's never ending. Never stop coming. It's at least 1,500.
A few thousand.
Yeah. It's probably like 3,000 to 4,000 birds. Maybe. Just don't stop. Where are they all coming from?
Migrating. Looking for food.
Remember when you bought this house, the lady said that she used to always wait for the birds? I guess this is what she meant. They all have blue heads.